Okay, this one is the fifth problem of exercise 3.5. It has two parts. First part represents the difference of that length and breadth. Second also difference of length and breadth, the increasement in the area. So we have to consider, let x be the breadth, x be the length, and y be the breadth. So area of rectangle A equals to L into B, that is equals to x into y. Area equals to xy. Then by statement one, length into breadth equals to area. So length is x, if its length is reduced by 5, x minus 5 into breadth 5 and increased by 3, y plus 3 equals to area x into y, xy minus 9. Okay, xy plus 3x minus 5y plus into minus 5 3s are 15 plus 9 equals to xy. So 3x minus 5y minus 6 equals to xy minus xy. Xy is being transferred, plus xy minus xy. Therefore 3x minus 5y equals to 6. This one is the equation 1. Then statement 2. By statement 2, length into breadth equals to area. If they increase the length by 3 units, that is x plus 3 into, and the breadth by 2, y plus 2 equals to area into xy plus 67. Therefore x into y, xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 3 2s are 6 minus 67 equals to xy. Then 2x plus 3y minus 61 plus xy, that gets minus xy, plus xy minus xy gets cancelled. 2x plus 3y equals to 61. Second, solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 3x minus 5y equals to 6. 2x minus plus 3y equals to 61. Okay. Into 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6x minus 2 5s are 10y, that is equals to 12. 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. Okay, minus 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 by subtracting plus 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. Minus 19y equals to minus 171. So y equals to 171 minus 171 minus 19. Therefore y equals to 19 nines are y equals to 9. Put y equals to 9 in 1. So 3x minus 5y equals to 6. 3x minus 5 into 9 equals to 6. 3x 6. 3x equals to 6 plus 45. 3x equals to 51. X equals to 51 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 17 are. X equals to 17. So the dimensions means length and breadth. Dimensions L 17 meters and breadth 9 meters. See, we have completed the exercise 3.5. Yesterday I have told you exercise total that chapter has been completed, but that number of exercises were misjudged by me. So one more exercise is there. I will complete that also. Now let us begin the exercise 3.6. Okay. This is the new exercise of that pair of linear equations. See, the pattern of providing the questions are in fully different way. We have to reduce these equation into simplest form. Then we have to use any one method among those three methods, that cross multiplication method, elimination method or substitution method. The main topic of this exercise is we have to reduce into simplest form these given equations. Okay, let us solve one by one. See first problem very attentively, then you will not face any problem in solving such equation. Okay, now see in what way I will solve this one. See, put 1 by x equals to p. Any alphabet you can take, but those must be second letter, you know. Put 1 by x equals to p. Then 1 by y. 1 by y equals to q. 1 by y equals to q. Now substitute this assumption 1 by x equals to p, 1 by y equals to q in the given format of the linear pair of equations. See, 1 by 2x, 1 by x itself is p. See, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals to 2. Okay. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y, that is equals to 2. See, See the first equation. Just I have separated the product in this form. 1 by 2x means 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3y means 1 by 3 into 1 by y. See what we have considered. 1 by x equals to p. 1 by 2 into 1 by x means p plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y means q, that is equals to 2. Then what happens? 1 into p equals to p divided by 2 plus q into 1 equals to q divided by 3, that is equals to 2. Now LCM of these two, that is 6. Okay. Now 2 3s are 3 2s are. Then 3p plus 2 into q, 2q equals to 2. Then what happens? 3p plus 2q equals to 6 into 2, cross multiplication. Okay. 3p plus 2q equals to 12. This one is the first equation. Now second. One by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals to 13 by 6. Okay. 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y equals to 13 by 6. Okay. 1 by 3 into 1 by x means p. 1 by 2 into 1 by y means q, that is equal to 13 by 6. Then p into 1 p by 3 plus q into 1 q by 2 equals to 13 by 6. Here also LCM is 6. 3 2s are 2 3s are 2p plus 3q equals to 13 by 6. Now 2p plus 3q equals to 6 into 13 by 6, cross multiplication. 6 gets cancelled. Okay. 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 ones are 13. Equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 3p plus 2q. 12. Then 2p plus 3q equals to 13. Okay, let us two 2s are 4q, 12 2s are 24, 3 2s are 6p plus 3 3s are 9q equals to 39. Then by subtracting plus p minus 6p gets cancelled. There is minus 5q equals to minus 15. Therefore q equals to minus 15 divided by minus 5. 5 on the 5 3s are, that is q equals to 3. Put q equals to 3 in 3p in 2p plus pq equals to 13, 2p plus 3 into 3 equals to 13, 2p, 3 3s are 9, 13, then 2p equals to 13 minus 9, 2p equals to 4, p equals to 4 by 2, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, p equals to 2. We got p equals to 2, q equals to 3. Now 1 by x equals to p, that is equals to p equals to how much we got? P equals to 2. Okay, therefore x equals to 1 by 2. Then y 1 by y equals to p, that is equals to 1 by 3. Therefore p equals to, then q equals to 1 by y equals to q equals to 3. Therefore y equals to 1 by 3. X equals to 1 by 2, then y equals to 1 by 3 is the ultimate answer for this. क्या करो